On the afternoon of May 8, 2026, Fond du Lac County deputies were alerted to a stolen SUV traveling north on I-41 in Wisconsin.
One point three and 6-4 coming up behind you at end.
Put your hands up! Turn the car off! Vehicle took off! Vehicle took off.
101, 1080 took off northbound. Left lane, traffic, medium. One crossing Lincoln, continuing northbound, right lane. One to the unit behind me, or only you're faster than my car.
Oh, you just took 26.
Thank you.
6-4 vehicle went through the stop. Red light. Now going southbound 26.
Vehicle driving Flipping around in New York, going back north on 26.
Turn on Z, westbound, eastbound
Conditions are dry, no traffic. Heading east on Z Zebra right now. Get a chance to take them off the road, do it. Am I 1050?
Tobago, 1050, County Road C and Clay Road.
153, 1050. My squad's out of commission.
My squad's out of commission. Roll over, send EMS.
It's going to be 1050.
50, my squad's out of commission. Roll over, send EMS.
Winnebago, they're requesting EMS. This is
We'll take EMS up here. I don't know what the intersection is. We ended up ramming the vehicle. It rolled over in the ditch. 2 patients. Z and Clay Road.
Hi, copy. We advise Winnebago they are sending EMS to Z and Claire.
copy 2 patients.
Copy 95 with a male.
Check where they would like your unit. Copy, final line.
Sheriff 101.
Go ahead, and all deputies are okay.
10-4, where would you like Winnebago deputies?
We're all in a farm field at this intersection. And we'll take the fire department. Suspect vehicle's on fire now. However, suspects are both out.
All occupants out, paging fire.
The driver, 23-year-old Antoine Wells of Des Plaines, Illinois, was charged with first-degree recklessly endangering safety, fleeing and eluding an officer, possession of illegal articles, resisting an officer, and possession of controlled substances. He is being held in the Fond du Lac County Jail on $35,000 bond. His preliminary hearing is scheduled for May 21st. The passenger, 23-year-old Crystal Olsekis of Franklin Park, Illinois, was released on a $500 signature bond and charged with possession of THC. Her plea and sentencing hearing is scheduled for June 23rd. It was the third pursuit involving the same stolen SUV in less than a week. The vehicle had been chased twice in Illinois in the days prior and escaped both times. This was not Wells' first encounter with law enforcement. In 2023, he was arrested after fleeing from a stolen carjacked vehicle in Evanston, Illinois, where he was found to have discarded a loaded Glock with a 25-round extended magazine during the foot chase. He later admitted the gun was his. Wisconsin deputies didn't let it happen a third time. The case remains under investigation.